we are. Black. Ooh, does that look good? Camera's having a tough time of distinguishing, focusing in, kind of loses it. Looks real nice though. Again, PVG finishes. This clear coat is just amazing for PPG. Looks really, really nice. Thorough. Again, we've already done the underneath side and the firewall. This was the last of it to be done. Now it's on to a bunch of other parts, doors, hard top sides, things of that nature. Matt did a really nice job on this. He's real happy with the way it came out. Real clean, real straight. With a little wet sanding on it. A couple little spots with what we call dust. Nothing major. Typical, I guess. But looks great.